Hello guys, welcome back to Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to download Instagram Reels with sound on your Android device as well as on iPhone. So first thing, go open your Instagram account, and from here you have to, if you want to download your own Reels, then you have to follow the instruction. Go to your profile and you have to go to the Reels. Now from here you have to select any one of the Reels which you wanted to download, which is yours itself, and you have to tap on that. Now you have to click on share icon, you have to click on this, and you have to go to add it to your story. You have to click on this, add it to your story, and from here you have to crop it up, like you have to do like this, which means you're making up to it. So you're just cropping it a little bit. Now as you can see that we made it fit to the screen. And now what you have to do is, once after doing this and cropping it between, you have to click on, at the top there is a download icon. So it will be downloaded and it will be available in the gallery. Now moving on to the next, you have to go for the others. If you want to download any others Reels, then you have to follow the instruction. You have to go here on the Reels icon, and here as you can see that these are some of the Reels available. So now if you want to do this, you just have to click on the share icon. You have to click this and go to here. You have to add to your story. The same procedure, you have to wait until it get loaded up. Then once after that, now what you have to do is you have to do the same. You have to crop it up, or you have to make suit to your respective screen. And once after doing that, you have to tap on download icon at the top. You have to do this up, and it will be available over the same on your home screen, on the gallery. So we'll be showing you up, and because it is available on the gallery, but we'll not be playing this up because we have reduced our volume. Because if you do this, as you can see that if you do this up, these are the two videos which we have downloaded right now. So as you can see that you're not hearing any kind of voice, because we worried any kind of copyright issue will be claiming up, so we don't want to do that. So this is about how to download Instagram Reels with sound on your Android devices as well as on your iPhone. So we hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.